fiberglass is in. Oh Maya, what you looking at? Oh, look, it's Canada and it's snowing. Just when I want to do work on the camper today. Day 2. Got the roof down. Got the roof down. Just up. Guys, just finishing off the last bit. If you like things falling and crashing, this is for you. Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep going, Jazz. Keep cutting it. Just put the blade in and go. Restart the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Nice piece of aluminum there. Although it's got to go to scrapyard. That's the deal. He picks it all up, takes it all away as long as he gets the aluminum, but I don't mind. Saves me the trouble.
Have to go in blind. Just like on Grey's Anatomy. You can't see it, but you have to go in blind.
Yep. Got the cancer.
It just flipped right into my nose.
A fly or something?
Something flipped in my nose.
Oops, that's the weather's cooler today. Just got some cleanup left to do. Camper's down to the floor. Over the week we're going to pull up this floor and see what the aluminum is like underneath, and then put down some new aluminum. Not new, but the roof aluminum can be used as a floor aluminum now. And this is all that's left. It's going to go to the scrapyard. At the scrapyard, dropping off that camper aluminum, all that. That's like 90% of the shell of the camper. And it's all going away. And well, all this e-waste I also recycle, which allows me to get free things for the camper, because I get free e-waste. Well, it's a bit of a storm coming in here. Had dinner. A few things happened. Dog ate something. Our lab puppy ate something. Had to get x-ray. We don't know what was inside her. Took a few days off there, a few days off with weather and work. Mosquitoes. But had a wonderful barbecue at my daughter's house. It was great. And came back, did a little bit more work on the camper. You can see, almost looks like a tractor trailer front. Picked up some free insulation I can cut down. I got lots more available to me if I want it. That's great. Pulled out some more of the camper. You can see some of the drawers we're going to use to get up to the top stairs. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the drawers or not. A lot of weight, but they're pretty good. They're drawers and stairs, so that's great. But the best news I got after we started tearing this back is this short bed dually. How they put the camper on is they added this back end, welded that in. There was an old spare tire in there that was rotten out, and I happened to cut it with my saber sawzall and cut through the rubber and let the air out. The air was still in there, but the tires are really not that good. But look at the bed of the truck. Look at this. The thing is like solid at this point. Okay, and we're gonna find out what it's like as we go through. Trip over a rake. Okay, gotta pick up my tools. And of course, the stairs gave way, but we're going to build new stairs. We're actually going to move the stairs over here to the front, and it will give us more living space back there, because this space is kind of like a dead space behind the door. So we're going to do all that. New lights came in. Got tail lights I'm got to install once I get the walls back up. And I've got running lights that came in. I've got interior lights came in. And my neighbors, hey neighbors, you'll see me later on Blue Moose. Okay, but look at, we got all this out. It's looking good. All right, catch you later. So we'll catch you up on the next video, because I'm getting a lot of clips here I got to put together. I'll go edit this one now, and we'll find out what's happening on the next video. Maybe the storm will pass overnight. We'll have time tomorrow to do this. But you know what we say, we don't know what we're doing, and we have no budget, but it'll be okay. And donations are coming in, not cash, but people giving me things to build. Love it, working on it, and we'll see you on the next one.